Right, guys, here's a 2003 LeapFrog Bank. Here's a 2003 LeapFrog Pretend and Learn cash register. Let's see how it works. Sorry guys, I didn't get my first sleep pad. That's okay. Penny works. It does work. See? Oh, my dad is calling. I'll be quiet and requesting that. That's what it on. I like the Arthur episode of Arthur Big Hit. What if DW breaks a toy and Arthur said, "I told you not to touch it"? Because I love Arthur meme. This meme, I told you not to break it, but about DW breaks it. And Arthur said, "I told you not to touch it." So I got a request back. I'll create my own Instagram, I believe. Or the yucky pot. Oh, of course.
Oh, qué bien. ¿Descansando ahorita todas?
The sticky, messy parts. There's an off, explore, total time, price checkout. It works. The volume works. Red LED light is. You can cancel pricing. This is total. There's a price here. So LeapFrog logo. Yeah. $2.99. I would hand it to Jackson Ross's back. He was smashing this at once because he likes destruction video like Jackson Ross's back. Yeah, that's about it. Put the batteries and put the batteries are brand new batteries to see what it works. I will see you in the next video.